Hello everyone and welcome to my poster. My name is Omnia Ibrahim and today I will present to you our study on investigating how interacting with human versus machine shape our speech production. It is well known that people change their voice characteristic when they are speaking to a robot versus when they are speaking to a human, which is well known as robot-directed speech. One possible explanation of robot-directed speech is that speakers are aware of perception difficulties for the robot, and then they will naturally and spontaneously modify their speech in an attempt to make themselves more intelligible. But on the other hand, there are huge advances in robot technologies. We moved from traditional mechanical robots into more natural and social robots. Robots nowadays are combined with lip movement, facial expression, and nonverbal communications, resulting of more natural interactions with robots, which will eventually affect the human perception of the interaction. Our research question is whether such advances neutralize the well-known effect of robot-directed speech in real-life scenario. In order to test that, we extracted data of 20 target speakers from human-human robot interactions. The conversations were about two humans playing a short-carded game with Farhat robot. The conversations ranged from 4 to 12 minutes long, and our target speaker's utterances were annotated into utterances addressed to his fellow human and utterances addressed to Farhat robot. And then we analyze fundamental frequency, speaking rate, and utterances duration. For fundamental frequency, despite the plot here shows speaking to robot have higher fundamental frequency than speaking to human, but we didn't find any statistical significant differences. While for speaking rate, we found speaking to robot was significantly slower than speaking to human. So in our analysis, we found significant differences between human and robot-directed speech for speaking rate and total utterances duration, but not for fundamental frequency. What we can conclude from that is robot-directed speech effect can still be observed in multi-party interactions, even with the state-of-the-art social robots like Farhat. Thank you for listening, and I will be happy to answer your questions in the poster session.